there are hundreds and thousands of businesses losing customers every single month because they don't have an online presence or they don't have a website. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build quality websites for them using AI in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to walk you through the entire workflow step by step, so even if you're just a beginner, you can understand that well. So let me first take you through the work. The first step is bringing leads. We need to understand and know the kind of businesses who don't have a website. So for that, we are going to scrape some leads. So what I did was the lead scraping automation on make.com to get me the exact kind of leads. And if you want to learn how to build this entire workflow, the video link is there in the I button. You can go and watch that. So that is the first way. Other than that, we can directly use Google Maps to find those people, search manually and look for people who don't have websites, and then use that information. Step is we need to go to Claude and ChatGPT and paste their business details, like the city they serve in, the type of customers, or basic information that you get on Google Maps. Next, you are going to write this custom prompt. And if you want this prompt, it's there in the description for absolutely free. So just go and use it. This prompt is: you are an expert web designer and conversion copywriter. I need you to write a detailed lovable.dev website prompt for a local business. And then you paste the business details and copy the rest of the part. Next, we go to lovable.dev, paste this prompt, and it generates the entire website, which is more polished with their brand colors, their themes, their name, every single detail. Then you get a shareable link, and you send them this link straight to their inbox. Created the perfect cold email template which you can directly use. Hi, and then you say their name. I found your business by looking for, you put in the business type in particular city. You came up but without a website. You're invisible to every potential customer searching online right now. So I bill you one for absolutely free. Here's the link. And then you paste that lovable link. Next, you say, if you want me to make it live on your domain this week, fully set up, ready to take bookings, just reply with the word yes. Mail that you can send them with the website link. Next, when they reply with a yes, and if they reply with a yes, then you book a call with them and you close it. And you can easily charge somewhere around $700 to $1,500 for this simple website. I'm talking about a simple website. Yes. You've seen the entire workflow. Let's start with the first step. We need to go to Google Maps and then search the type of business. Let's just simply write consulting firms in Chicago. That's it. And then you'll get a list. This is the business which doesn't have a website, and they have like 4.7 rating. And this is the location. This is the phone number. Every single detail is there, but no website is added. So now what we are going to do is we will just copy this particular page. You can just copy these details, and now you need to go to ChatGPT and use the prompt that I have mentioned in the description. We'll just copy this prompt, and now we'll go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt and paste these details. Now once done, just click on enter and ChatGPT will create a complete lovable prompt for you. Now we got the prompt. This is the lovable.dev prompt. Create a modern, conversion-focused website homepage for a business management consulting firm located in Chicago. We have the complete brand and design direction. We have website structure. We have hero section, like all the pages required. You just need to copy this entire prompt. Now once you do that, you need to create your lovable.dev account and paste it there. So let's do that. Next, we need to paste this prompt here and click on start building. Lovable will first analyze the prompt, ask for your approval if any, and then build the entire website for you. So here we go. We have the complete website for Chicago, Consulting Chicago, and the banner is the image of Chicago, and then the headline is helping Chicago businesses grow smarter, faster, and more profitably. And then we have business consulting services designed for growth. Okay, ready to take your business to next level. And then here is a form for free consultation, booking a free consultation. Then the contact information is also added. So home, we have the home page, then we have services, we have the about section, we have testimonials, we have the contact details, and also a book a free consultation forms. So this is the entire website. We can make any changes if we want. I'll just say add scroll animations to page, and then we'll also make some changes in the about us section of this particular website. If you want to edit anything, if you want to make visual edits, or if you want to change any details, you can easily do it by just typing it out. So there we go, the website is right there in front of us, helping Chicago businesses grow smarter, faster, more profitably. We have a separate about us section because I told that make the about us section better. So we have it here: local expertise, real business results, 100 plus clients served, 3x average revenue growth, 10 plus years of experience, 50 plus industries covered. And then we have some text, and then schedule a consultation, and then it takes you to this form. So this is the perfect website for them, and any changes can be made. It just depends on what you want and how you want. Now we need to copy this link. Let's just copy this link here, and we are going to send this link to this business owner, and you can do the same thing for hundreds of businesses. Now let me just tell you what happened. We first used Google Maps to find businesses who don't have a website. Then we used ChatGPT to write a professional, a lovable prompt. Then we pasted that prompt to Lovable, and it built the entire website with all our branding and details. Last, we sent this link directly to their inbox, and it didn't cost us $1. The system works, the tools are free, and the opportunity is real. So the question is, what are you waiting for? And you can also build animated websites using Google's anti-gravity for e-commerce brands, which highlights their product and is really attractive. And I will be dropping that video very soon on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to it. And if you want more videos like this, just let me know your thoughts and comments. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.